going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Today is a very special day. I'm going to be revealing my dream car. I honestly still can't believe that I still have this car. I've been trying to get it for like the past 2-3 years. So I think that it's about time, of course. And the car's actually right here off camera. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and introduce the car to you guys. In 3, 2, 1.
Brothel.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that intro. Yes, I have bought a S2000. I cannot believe I actually own this car. This is amazing. I still can't believe every time I drive it. It's like I haven't driven anything like it. So it's very different from the turbo Civic that I have and the little hatch that I drive as well. So I actually bought this car probably about a month and a half ago. I just didn't have enough time, or it would be raining when I tried to record the reveal to this car. Yeah, she's a little rough around the edges. I'm gonna show you guys. You're gonna see on the screen all the little things that's wrong with it. The fenders, the headlights needs to be clear, which I will do the Cerakote headlight restoration. Yeah, the fenders, the quarter panels, a little bit of damage. It had a quick release steering wheel that I did not like on there, so I put the OEM one on there. And it does have a check engine light code, but it's for O2 sensor, which I will be replacing. Also, the paint is a little bit faded, mostly everywhere, so I will be trying to do a paint restoration to try to see if I can bring back this paint. As far as the interior and everything, it's all intact. It is 100% stock aside from the intake. Yeah, so I'm very excited to have this car and make future videos and all of the crazy ideas that I have with some of the cinematic stuff that I'm gonna have with this car, and then Ruby, of course, or the Turbo SI. So I'm excited to bring all of that to you guys. Yeah, so I'm excited to bring all the new content as far as cinematic videos and all the little things that I'm gonna be doing to the S2000 to just add my touch. One of the first things that I want to do is just clean up the overall appearance of the paint, do as much as I can, all of the cheap stuff, the inexpensive stuff, do that myself, then later on change the wheels. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because I still can't believe that I have this car. It's been a month and a half and it's awesome. Can't wait to do the cinematic videos with this car and then the Ruby or the Turbo SI and then drone footage, and it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.